Yo, what it is, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to your boy, Dylan the Day Trader. I'm Dylan the Day Trader. This is my channel, and I'm gonna be dropping some gems for y'all today. Man, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. It's gonna be support and resistance, man. Breaking this thing down for y'all so that I can, get a better understanding of it, and basically so you can figure out how to implement it into your strategy, into how you trade. You feel me? So, hey, make sure like, comment, subscribe, man. Share this video, man, to people that is possibly in your shoes, or you know what I'm saying, people that can use this video. Cause I'm here to educate. I'm here to educate, man, anybody who wants to learn. So without further ado, man, just make sure y'all staying positive. Make sure y'all staying positive and keep going and keep growing. So without further ado, let's get into this video, man. Let's get into this thing, the support and resistance. And I even made a PowerPoint slide for y'all. Man, I mess with y'all. Y'all like fam, though. Yes, sir. Hold on, you can't even see that photo. Let me get my big head out of the way. Big headed ass boy. Move, man. All right, check me out. All right. Hold on. The green tea hit different. Hopefully that didn't pick too much on the mic. Let me hit my glasses, because we about to get to it. All right. So support and resistance, man. So support is like a floor. It's an area where price struggles to break and close below. Okay, so as you can see right here is this example. You see support price line. This blue line will be the support price line, basically the support area, right? And candles will struggle to break below this. That's how you know you have a strong support level. All right, you see these pins to the low, aka wicks. They're the same thing. You see them to the low, and you'll see how they reject, and then they probably will form some kind of reversal candle after it rejects from the support level. Resistance is the same thing like support, but resistance is like a ceiling. Is where price struggles to break and close above. So imagine a ceiling in a house, right? And you can't go past that ceiling. You can't go past the ceiling. So that's what resistance is, where price struggles to break above, because it's the ceiling. And just like support, it's the floor. You walk on the floor and you can't go down through the floor unless what I'm saying, you just a ghost or something. But that's how support and resistance works. Okay, so with support and resistance, what I have found out to be more accurate and more I guess I would say strong support and resistance levels, I've seen it more on the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, and the daily time frame. All right, so those are the 3 time frames I see support and resistance like the most, and it's the most accurate. They happen on the 30-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame as well, but they get violated so much because it's a smaller time frame. You're going to see smaller movements and smaller support and resistance levels because of that, because of the time frames. All right, so I recommend us looking at it on the daily 4 hour or the 1 hour. So this is what I'm gonna show you guys a live chart. I had to turn my mic volume down, man. I seen it all in the red. I don't want to bust nobody's eardrums. I got these headphones, the earphones on to just be extra loud for no reason. So I'm gonna get up out of here and I'm gonna hit it. Boom, hit on the live chart. All right, this Dogecoin. I was looking at some Dogecoin, man. All right, so I'm gonna let you put in a little gem. See, this is a little gem I put in here. They ain't even gonna put this on the title, man. This little gem, just because y'all tuned in, a little Dogecoin, a little crypto update. All right. So this Dogecoin, man, it's been doing a lot. It's been doing more consolidating than than anything. It's been doing a lot of consolidating. I've seen this is a 4 hour time frame as well. So this, I'm gonna test out support and resistance level on this Dogecoin. All right. So Dogecoin right here. What I do when I'm looking for support and resistance levels on levels that like on pairs that I don't know like their key levels, I just go back a 4 hour time frame. I don't go back hella far. I just go back, you know, far enough so I can see, you know what I'm saying, nice support, nice structure, nice support and resistance levels. So I'm looking at these wicks right here. So first thing I look for when I'm looking for some support and resistance levels for real, and I don't really know the chart like that, I go to the 4 hour time frame and I look for like wicks. If it's an uptrend, I look for wicks to, you know, either the bottom or the top. Probably more likely to the pins to the top. Right? So I look, okay, look left, boom, probably draw a little line, horizontal line or something, nothing crazy from right here. Boom, okay, that's one little area. Now, okay, this is another strong area possibly. Move this out of the way. There's another strong possible area right here. So I draw another one. Not too much. Boom. Ah, dang, I ain't even get the thing on my. Boom. All right. And then once I do that, you know, I just kind of just wait to see how the market reacts to these levels and see how accurate the levels is. Okay. But then again, also, you want to zoom out too. So you can, I found zooming out helps me see the levels clearer. All right. So you only have to go back this far, but really you can see this level right here. Boom. So, okay. So these just off of these 2 points right here, you can see support and resistance level. As I said before in one of the previous videos, go back and check out my previous videos, y'all. I dropped some more gems on there. Check out my previous videos. You can see how I talked about like the price area, like a certain area that price comes to before it actually takes off. I mean, not before it takes off, but before it, like while it consolidates, before it, you know, basically, yeah, before it takes off, before it do the move that it wants to do. You never see the market doesn't really like come to like a specific point, the price point. It don't always come to like, oh, this price point right here that I marked up. It'll come to like a general area, right? So you can see right here, excuse me, right here, if I want to, I can just draw a little box right here, all the way across, just to know that, okay, this is my general area. If the market comes anywhere between this area, it's normally a certain amount of pips I like to choose. So normally between, you know, like 20 pips or so. What is this? Oh, that's, damn, that's 60 some pips. Oh, this is a 4 hour time frame. Oh, I forgot. This is not even. Now we disregard the pip count on this one because this is Dogecoin. It hits different. It go by price, by price, not really the pip count. So, what I would do, I was looking at this general area, like, you know what I'm saying, like, okay, this is a strong area. Okay, boom, the market broke up. Okay, the market broke out of here from this candle right here. Boom, this is the breakout candle of this zone, of this structure level. Boom, it breaks out, it hits another area right here. So this right here is another, this right here was what was resistance in the past, is not what was support in the past, because the market couldn't break below here, it came up, is now resistance now, because you see a nice pin right here, nice pin bar. This green candle is a nice pin bar with a bearish engulfing. Okay, you see a bearish engulfing with a pin bar, boom, and it drops down, downtrend. Now the market is continuing to drop down. Okay, and then you see the market comes back up, breaks through this little wick, this rejection, this area right here, this resistance area, and it retests this previous and this resistance level as well. This 0.2856 resistance area. All right. So I'm breaking this down on Dogecoin. I ain't getting on GU today. I'm gonna break it down on Dogecoin for y'all. It's the same on everything. You can do this on your stocks. You can do this on crypto. You can do this on Forex. You can do this on exotic pairs, like all that, man. Futures, indices, all that. This is how the market moves. It's support and resistance level. It's support and resistance level. That's just how it is. All right. So you can see the market come down in this general area, kind of reject it from this 50 moving average, and continue to, you know, come back up to this area as well. So I can draw another box right here. Now, what is going on? There we go. I'm gonna cool it right there for right now. Even though this wasn't really like, oh man, it's a whole area. It didn't really hit the area that we wanted to hit to, but guess what? Remember in the last video I talked about the levels? we got 3 levels. The market moved 3 levels. Level 1 right here, drop down. Level 2 right here, drop down. Level 3 right here. And guess what? The market is going down again. Boom, breaking this, and this consolidating at this major price. It is price point. Basically, this support level. It's at a support level now. When it breaks down, oh, it's beginning to reject like it's resistance now. Okay, so it was support right here. It's kind of support right here, but kind of resistance, but kind of like in between support and resistance. And it just continued to break down. As you can see, this 50 moving average as well helps you to understand like the trend of the market. And if you have like a support and resistance level marked up and your candles are trading below the 50 moving average, you're at a resistance level on your basically your price point, your price area. Okay, you're at the resistance level here, and if it start trading above this 50 moving average for whatever reason, you're at a support. Your level is a support level now. Okay, so it can fluctuate. It can start to be a resistance level and then fluctuate to be a support level and then come back to be resistance, be support. You know what I'm saying? You just got to just pay attention to what the market is doing. That's why you use more than one confluence to help you understand what the market is doing. A lot of people like to use like 2 things. Oh, I only use this, and this. I only use this and this. This and this. Or if I see this, I'm taking in. Like, no, you got to have, more than one. You got to have more than 2, more than 3 confluences. I try to have at least 4 confluences because what I was taught, you have 3 confluences, you good. But I like to give myself a little extra, leeway, because I don't like to have anxiety when I'm in a trade, just looking at, oh, I don't know, ooh, I don't know, ooh, I don't know if this is going to do what I want it to do or not. Man, at a point you got to be like, man, we about to just get in, we about to just do it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Don't give yourself a headache. Trust yourself, man. Trust yourself, trust yourself, trust yourself, man. Your confidence will be richly rewarded. Man, you got it, man. This is quoted in the Bible. If you have your confidence will be richly rewarded. Just keep persevering. So have confidence in what you're doing. Man, I was on the court. Have confidence in what you're doing always, man. So right here, you will see the market continue to drop down once it hits, this resistance level for a few more times. 4-hour time frame, a small little doji right here. Not a doji, a little bearish engulfing right here. Nice little doji. So it kind of consolidated a little bit here and it continued to drop down. So drop down from one level 1. This is level 2, level 3, and market made level 4 right here. It probably kept dropping. Oh, level 4 right here, boom. And then it made 4 levels, and that's what it's doing now. Right? It's continued, and I turned around. It turned around. All right, so let me zoom out a little bit. So it turned around. Okay, so when you see the market come down and make a level, so I'm gonna reverse. That's me reversing. Dance moves on 10. Mario, you can't touch this. All right, so you gotta. All right, so boom. So you see this right here made level 1. We talked about that last video. So if you didn't see the last video, check that out. Big boy gems being dropped in there. I'm telling y'all, big boy gems. So, boom. It's another level right here. Boom. You see that level drop, and just put it at the bottom of that. Right. Put your support level at the bottom of that. Okay. Boom. If the market breaks out of this zone, this level right here, it has to come back and retest it. 7 times out of 10, it's gonna come back and Now, 9 times out of 10, it's probably gonna come back and retest it, but it might not come back and retest it as soon as you want to, but it'll come back and retest the level that it broke out of. That's how the market structure works. It has to do that. All right. So, as you can see, level broke down. This would be right here. This would be support level. This would be a support level right here, and then when it breaks through, it's now became a resistance level. All right, it had to retest of this resistance level. Boom, I would have got in right here if I just trade Dogecoin like a mug. But nah, I got Dogecoin, but I just buy and hold. I buy and hold like at night. I bought a few hundred at like night, a few thousand coins at like 19 cents and a few thousand coins at like 31 cents, at 30 cents. So that's just like you buy the pullbacks, y'all. I'm getting off topic. But right here, y'all just, when you see this, when you see like the market breaks a level, wait for the retest and for a reversal candle. All right. I'll talk about reversal candles probably next week, or I don't know, the end of this week. I know probably next week, because I'm gonna do a part 2 to this support and resistance, right? So come on, man, you gonna fall out, you gonna come out of the play and then you ain't gonna want to go back. I'm about to say you so. All right, that's thunder. So we out here, boom, resistance. Now it's resistance. It's broke through. Not made a nice railroad candle right here. These two candles, this green. Let me zoom in. I don't know why I'm so far out. This green candle, this red candle, nice railroad candle right here. And they continue to break down. Made a higher low. Boom. To this level, to the resistance level, and kept dropping. The same thing here. It made another one. Boom. Pull back. Lower half and then this one, and kept dropping. Y'all, like this, it's not that hard, y'all. You just gotta just sit back and just study it. A lot of us don't want to study, man. Y'all just want to just get it, you know what I'm saying? Get some signals or get it, you know, easily, man. You can't become rich. Y'all can't become rich. Hold on, let me talk my ish real quick. Man. Y'all can't become rich by not working. That's not how that work. The rich people work. Y'all can't. I see a lot of people that day trade. Y'all want to get signals from somebody. You can't get rich off of getting signals. You can't get rich if you don't know how to trade. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work like that. If y'all trying to be rich, y'all trying to be wealthy, y'all trying to establish some kind of wealth, y'all gotta work for it. Y'all gotta work for it. Y'all gotta put in this blood, sweat, and tears in this thing, man. Like y'all come in this market for like 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, you know what I'm saying? Think y'all gonna make a bukus of money. Hell no, bro. They ain't work like that, man. It don't work like that. Y'all gotta put in the work for it to work how you want it to work. You gotta put in the work. I know some people that came in this market putting in some work. Young boy putting in work. And he living. He's good, man. He's good because he put in the work. A lot of y'all don't want to put in the work, man. Word of the day, man, y'all work. Put in the work of what you want to do. And I guarantee you, if you put in the work long enough and never give up, even when it gets hard, even when you don't see nothing changing, it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out. It has to work out. All right? Because God see you working and he knows, man, you working. So my motto is work like it's up to you. But pray like it's up to God. Shout out to Oprah Winfrey for that one, y'all. Hey, man, your boy Dylan Hughes, man. Dylan, the day trader, man, in this thing. Give me y'all some more knowledge, more gems. I love y'all, man. Y'all just continue to push forward and keep fighting. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with somebody that you feel needed. Hey, man. Till then, see y'all in another one, man. Yes, sir. Love.